Hello guys, magandang araw sa ating lahat. Mayroon na naman tayong bagong nakita na napakahalagang balita. Dahil dito sa sobrang pagtaas ng ating petrolyo at kailangan malaman ng taong bayan kung ano talaga ang dahilan. Ating panoorin ang video mula sa Facebook name Duterte Trial of Focus. Let's go.
Ang gross income po per day is 3,039,130,000 per day. 3 billion, Mr. Chair. Kinuha po ninyo sa inventaryo ninyo ito. 2 weeks pa lang ang nakakaraan. Alam po ninyo, Mr. Chair, I have to apologize for making this comparison. Yung 18 Marines po, yung kanilang mga diniliber na mga mali-maleta, kinumpute ko rin po Despite the logistical nightmare scenario that was peddled to the public, ganito po yun Approximately, they were delivering 2 billion pesos per day. Based on 33 months times 4 weeks, average po ng about 42.5 maletas, averaging 40 million. It's maleta. Ito pong gross income na kinukompute ko, Mr. Chair, mas mataas pa po doon sa maleta na dinala po ng 18 Marines. It's 3 billion pesos per day ang gross income po ng National Oil Company. Representative from Chevron, we're coming from different perspective. What is the monthly consumption of the Philippines in terms of diesel? Diesel-wise, what is the national consumption?
The daily volume is 33 million a day.
Sir, I'm talking about monthly. How much?
Monthly is 900
Metric tons or barrels or what?
million liters.
996,348,000 liters. That's correct. Tama po.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So, halimbawa, pag-usapan po natin yung diesel. Sabi po ng President, before the war broke out, we had 50 to 60 days of supply. Tama po. So after 2 weeks po, yung 55, tumaas po ng average sa 125. Kinuha po natin yun sa inventory, yung 125, sir. Tama po. Sir, you have to answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But I cannot speak for the others.
Yes, sir. Kayo po yung sumagot kasi tinatanong ko yung Chevron, kayo po yung sumagot Okay?
I have the number kasi.
Yes, sir. So, 996,348,000 liters per month. Yun po yung consumption natin sa diesel. So, nagkaroon po ng increase na 70 pesos per liter after 2 weeks. That's 127%. So, tingnan po ninyo, Mr. Chair, 996,348,000 liters times 70 divided by 30 days. That's 2.32 billion per day, approximately gross income. Is my computation correct, sir? Ulitin ko po, 996,348,000 liters times 70, ito po yung increase, divided by 30, 2.32 billion per day ang approximate gross income. Kasi kinuha niyo po sa inventory. Wala pa naman po yung, di pa naman kayo umaangkat. No, 2 weeks pa lang po nakaraan eh. Gasoline. It used to be 50 liters per day pre-war. Naging 80 liters po average after 2 weeks. So meron pong difference na 30 pesos per liter or an increase of 67%. Sir, ilan po yung consumption natin ng gasoline per month? $4,521,000 barrels or 714,318,000 liters. Correct po? Can I get a confirmation? Anybody from? Welcome.
Anyone from the from DOE or from our
These figures were
orders?
supplied to me by a friend from the oil
I
companies.
think DOE will be the more appropriate resource person to shed light on this matter.
Mr. Chair, as confirmed kanina, yung diesel is around 32.5 million liters per day. More or less 32
Then, nasold
million.
na natin yun, 996,348,000.
Yeah, gasoline.
Yung gasoline na lang,
Gasoline is around 23.3 million liters per day.
or 714,318,000 liters. Tama po?
The 23.3 million is already in liters, Mr. Chair. Daily.
Kaya nga, times 30 ilan? $714,318,000 liters of gasoline. Tama po.
That's correct. Around
Oh, yan. Ito po, ganito. 714,318,000 liters of gasoline times 30 days. That is 714 million per day. Approximate gross income. So pag pinagsama po natin itong dalawa lamang, Mr. Chair, per day po ito sa diesel po, 2,324,312,812,000 plus 714,318,000. Ang gross income po per day is 3,039,130,000 per day. 3 billion, Mr. Chair.
Connie should not be put in.
Kinuha po ninyo sa inventaryo ninyo ito. 2 weeks pa lang ang nakakaraan Alam po ninyo, Mr. Chair, I have to apologize for making this comparison. Yung 18 Marines po, yung kanilang mga dineliver na mga maleta, kinumpute ko rin po Despite the logistical nightmare scenario that was peddled to the public, ganito po yun Approximately, they were delivering 2 billion pesos per day. Based on 33 months times 4 weeks. The average po ng about 42.5 maletas, averaging 40 million. It's maleta. Ito pong gross income na kinukompute ko, Mr. Chair, mas mataas pa po doon sa maleta na dinala po ng 18 Marines. Allegedly. Wala po akong inaano. I'm just trying to see. I mean, yung analogy lang po. Wala po akong pakialam kung totoo o hindi totoo yung sinasabi po doon sa sworn statement. That has yet to be investigated properly. Ang kwento ko po is 2 billion a day, yung sinasabi nila. Yung sabi ko nga po, I'm not saying that that is correct. That is yet to be investigated properly and in proper time. Pero ito pong sinasabi ko, it's 3 billion pesos per day ang gross income po ng National Oil Company. These are not my figures. Salamat po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Thank you, Senator Marcoleta. Again, we'll discuss the pricing later on, and I'm sure our friends from Manibela also have some observation on that.